Hello, everybody. This is Masaru Emoto. I am now in Brazil, Caçamba, to lead Love and Thanks to Water ceremony, July 25th. As you know, my book Message from Water was published 1999 June. Since then, message from water has been spreading all over the world, and I was invited to the many countries to give a lecture and water ceremony. Compared to 10 years ago, people's consciousness about water becoming larger and larger, I think. And it is very good sign for human being for peace. Today, maybe many places all over the world are praying for water to give thanks and gratitude. I am very happy. And still nowadays, we human beings have a lot of difficulties. As Mexican and Gulf problem. But I think that is a sign of God to use alternative energy source instead of oil. And finally, we created such a technology. That technology is called as all-matter gas. Mr. All-Matter Jushin All-Matter is a Japanese inventor. He is also my very good friend. I am bringing this technology with me to all over the world. So it is very hopeful technology. But we citizens need more understanding about water and about water. Especially, we need love and gratitude to water. And of course, together with apologize to water for ignoring water so many years. I believe water is a messenger of God. So please pray to water for apologize and giving thanks and love. And so our will reach to the God. Let's do together praying from now. We are sorry, water. Please forgive us. We thank you, water. We love you, water.